Monique, how does digital social innovation tie in with your work at the Humanized Internet? How do we put humans in the picture?
It's a great question. In fact, digital social innovation is really foundational to what we're trying to achieve in this whole notion of the humanized internet. When we look at digital social innovation, we're looking at what are the foundational technologies and how we can use these technologies to, in an ethical way, in a responsible way, such that we as human beings and as citizens are in the center of this humanized internet, hence therefore why we call it the humanized internet. You have to think about this polarity that I spoke about earlier between dataveyance and surveillance, that which can be abused and that which could be actually enriching your society, or the potential for abuse. And this is the strong polarities that we're talking about. So, for example, technology has no agency, but just as you have a pack of cigarettes, what you see is a warning to state that the cigarettes could potentially cause cancer. And so I think this is the exact nature of what we're trying to achieve in this humanized internet, that is bringing back the internet to the citizen, that is actually educating the citizen as to how to use these sets of technologies in a very responsible way. And so our ecosystem of people, citizens, individuals, policymakers, scientists, technologists, really must work collaboratively together. And if we miss one component of this whole group of players, especially when we're talking about the individual as the center, we risk actually having a cataclysmic event, I think, in our society. So it has to be inclusive, and this is the really big nature of what we mean by social digital innovation, together with the tenets and principles of the humanized internet.